We back with another video. I know I haven't posted in a minute, but it's due to me working open to close. Well, not basically open to close, but from 12 to 10 o'clock. So I get out late, and then by the time I get home, everybody tired, sleep, or hungry or something. So everybody not in the mood. But today, me and the kids clean the room up. So we're making this the room where we make videos happen. We got the VR, the green screen, the racing rig. We got the computer. We got some flying stuff for the kids. This is where we're gonna be making videos at. We got guitars for them, a little music, speaker, and all that. Every video from now on, like, we're gonna be doing like building Legos. The kids are gonna be playing on the games, all that. Coming soon, probably not today, probably later, I don't know. You know, the kids always come home and always wanna play the game. So we're gonna be doing that. But hold on, babe. So yeah, we cleaned the room up. It's not all the way clean, but I'm gonna try to put some, like, we got this little foam stuff that the kids used to play on when they were little, like the little checker thing. I might put that on the ground for some protection, because you're gonna see them. My kids are gonna be running into the walls. They're gonna be jumping off the walls and everything because it is VR. They already broke the remotes, and these are expensive. But I'm gonna try to give you out the content of them having fun and enjoying themselves. But in the meantime, I'm about to go play with my dog King. He's not my dog, he was my dog, but I had to give him away, not because I wanted to, but my girl was pregnant at the time, and in her mind she was like, he's a big dog, he's wild and crazy, and you'll see and find out in the video. He don't know how to calm down. He's always hyped. So on her mind was he might injure the baby or something, so we don't want that to happen. So we gave him away to my brother. My brother's been taking good care of him. He's got him bulked up and all that. So I'm about to go play catch with him and give you guys some content of something. Maybe I might strap this to the dog and hopefully it stays on him, so you can see him playing catch. And I want to apologize in advance for whoever's soccer ball this is. I'll buy y'all another one, but he gonna tear that shit up. This is King right here, if you guys haven't met him. Sit down, boy, sit. But he a little beautiful dog. I didn't want to give him away, but look at him. Beautiful. Oh boy, come here. King, come here, boy. I know you want that ball, come on. Come here. Sit, hey, come here, sit. Come here. Sit. Come here. Sit. Come here. Sit. Sit. King, sit. You want the ball, don't you? Sit down. Sit. Good boy. Good boy. Give me a high five. Give me a high five. Sit. High five. This dog, look, he loves balls. This guy love it. This guy love it. This guy love it. Come on. Let's go. Ooh. Put it on the dog real quick. Sit. Sit, 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 sit. Good boy. You want the ball, huh? You want the ball? 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 Want the ball? Want the ball? Sit down. Sit. No. No. Sit. 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 Come on, bring it. Come on. Sit. Good boy. No, sit. Sit. Look at that boy. Tired. He still wants some more. Look at that boy. Still wants some more. Oh,